Well, that's the bots. Two bots and the Sherpa all lined up together. This would be Adar's custom mapped Himi 450. You can say that that would be the first of its kind in India, which is running a custom map, and I'm going to try it out in some time and feel the difference, because the fellow who tuned it says it runs 41 horses at the rear wheel, and so that would easily translate to 4 or 5 horses on the crank, and that's Ram's another beautiful machine, the most pretty looking 450, the Camet White. Yeah, interesting to see them lined up like that, huh? Lovely to have fellow Himalayan owners ride with you. Adarsh has been a good friend for a long time now. Yeah, so this was just more like an impromptu meet. We felt the urge to meet and we made it happen. Ram decided to join in. No questions asked. Life of a YouTuber. All the best moments lost. You can be back on that beautiful machine. Otherwise, I'll end up dropping it 200%. I'm super excited with it. I'll end up dropping it 200%. I'm on hooligan mode.
Drop it on the other side. Yeah, exactly. I mean, hands were straight.
I'm getting into that zone, that zone of doing whatever I wish. What I do with my 411, man, it's just spot on. You nailed the handlebar position, everything spot on. Well, that is Adar's monster machine. It's a totally different package. Feels nothing like the stock Himalayan 450. Extremely responsive and playful. The bloody thing has become playful now. If I may give it an attribute, I would call it a playful machine. I can just go about throwing it around. The power is instant. There's no delay in power. This thing reacts to throttle inputs like that. Woo! So we're just playing around. That's the hooligan. On wheels. This motorcycle has everything you ask for. Power on that. Fucking shit just flies past things. Attack anything and everything you throw at this. One hell of a motorcycle. What a tune. Responsive, quick, and yet willing to attack. Willing to attack just about anything and everything. Oh, if only this wasn't sand, I would have taken these guys here. Watch. Look at how quickly the speeds come up. Just like that of 133, fellas. Just like that. 100 to 133 in no time. And that's how this bike should have been from the factory. You guys watch. picks up speed from there. 2500 RPM. No problems. Has power from 2500 RPMs. Let's bring it down to 2. Can I? Yep, there you go. No stalling. Picks up speed just like that. Let's quickly do speeds. Try and catch up with the Safari. Just like that. 140 with the Safari. Just like that. No problems at all. So this is the best example of what a tune can be. This is how a tune should be. And the change in tone, huh? Oh God.
There is a hole in the air filter also.
Yeah, I could see that. And there is, right? You yeah, take it. Holy shit.
So that matches the
Requirements now.
requirement.
Get that. But the stock ECU is no, he's made a tweak. So unbelievable.